I'm Marcella.
And I'm Rocco.
And today we're going to be unboxing, no joke, Pokemon Scarlet and Violet 151. We have an Elite Trainer box straight from the Pokemon Company. So thank you so much for gifting us a collection of just amazing gifts. We got the Elite Trainer box for 151. We got the Zapdos EX pack, and we got a booster bundle pack. So we have a lot to open up, so we're going to do 2 videos. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to Marcello's YouTube channel. Pop Marcello has reached over 2,500 subscribers thanks to you guys, so thank you so much. I received so many beautiful emails from our Obsidian Flames unboxing videos. It was so heartwarming. Now, I don't know if you know, but I love Bulbasaur. So Venusaur, I had to rock a Venusaur Razor Leaf shirt. Razor Leaf is the best move. Who's ready for this? Are you ready for this? I'm ready. Oh, Rocco's getting in. He's getting in there. I'm ready. We even got our own binders. Marcello chose this beautiful neon green, and Rocco has a beautiful white, just to commemorate the 151.
Yeah, because the box is white.
Yeah,
the
it looks
white.
so good. It's so good. So we will definitely do like a whole Pokemon Scarlet and Violet 151 video with all of the packs put inside the binders. But for now, we're going to open up this Elite Trainer box. So let's just get it unboxed, and we'll show you everything inside, and then we'll split the packs, and they'll open them. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please also don't forget to please share this video. Comment down below your favorite Kanto Pokemon. Mine is Bulbasaur, Chansey, Dragonite. Who's your favorite Kanto Pokemon, Marcello?
Kanto.
For Kanto region, the first gen, the original OG.
I have like around like 3. I would have to say Mr. Mime, Kangaskhan, and Snorlax.
Ooh, that's a good one. Who is your favorite?
Just from
the Kanto region.
Charizard, Snorlax. Actually, I forgot the 2 other ones.
That's okay. I know he loves Snorlax. So there's silhouettes of all of the Kanto Pokemon all over the box artwork, which is so cool. I love that so much. I would love to get like dishes in that with this artwork. I would love to get anything home related. Please, Pokemon Company, make it happen. 151 home. That's what I need for my house.
Let's start opening some packs, checking out the set.
All right, so let's open up this Elite Trainer box. Be really super careful. Ooh, okay, so I love the artwork. It is so cool. Let's check out all the cards. Okay, so we have. Okay, so we have. Wow.
Oh,
wow.
Mom
I'm like,
definitely want these.
I'm blown away because it's in. Do you realize what it is?
I
it's
know.
in order.
It's in order. I know.
It's in order. So as you can see, all of them are in order, which is unbelievable. I'm so shocked right now. This is so cool. That I love all of the artwork. Look at this. I just love the fact that they included everything in order, which is so super cool. I love that. I'm not seeing a lot of EX so far, so it looks like they just run through all of, the Pokemon. Oh my God, it's Chansey.
Hey, wait, hold on. I see an EX.
Oh, you see next where? Oh, Kangaskhan. Okay, so there is EX. I didn't see them. Hold on.
Yeah, there are some.
There are some. Okay, so there's Kangaskhan.
Look at that Ditto.
Oh, that is so cool.
Let me see.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
where's the Ditto?
Right there's the Ditto.
Oh, I really want to get that color.
That is so cute. So all of these cards are beautiful. That Mewtwo, Mew, oh my gosh, Dragonite, I just love it. But I can't wait to see, there's Zapdos, I can't wait to see like the secret rares. And the, oh my God, these cards are unbelievable.
I know.
Look how beautiful.
Look at them, Mr. Mime.
Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Order more right now. Oh my gosh, look at Giovanni. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get started. Let's do this. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh my,
And we didn't even open the packs yet.
look at these beautiful dividers. I absolutely love this print so much. We need Pokemon Home. We need, oh my gosh, amazing. We have the promo card with Snorlax. Gorgeous. I'm going to leave that in there for now. We need to get another ETB so we could get 2 of them. So, there are the sleeves. We got to get the coins out, and then there's the dice. I love that. Look at that EX size. It's
my
clear. Now that we got the 9 booster packs out of the Elite Trainer box, since there's 3 of us, I'm only going to open up 1 pack, and I'll leave the fun for the kids. Open up mine first since I'm sitting here, and we're going to just switch it out. Let Marcello go last, and you'll go next, okay?
This is amazing.
It really is beautiful. Let's just, like, admire the beauty that is this. So it
love
says,
this Pokeball.
gotta catch them all, team up with Bulbasaur, Charmander, and Squirtle, and witness a brand new dawn in Kanto. With this new day comes a new chance to track down old friends, make new partners, and capture every last one of the original 151. I don't know why I'm getting teary. I'm such a dork. Discover the extraordinary Venusaur EX, Charizard EX, and Blastoise EX in special cards with captivating illustrations, and explore the cities and countryside of a reinvigorated land. You might even find the elusive Mew EX in your travels. New adventures will unfold, and new horizons will be revealed in the Scarlet and Violet 151 expansion. So cool. You don't even know what it means to me because I opened up the original cards back in the day. I was a teenager, and I wasn't a child of my kids' age. However, opening it now with my kids is such a bittersweet feeling. So it's really, really cool. So I'm going to open it up first because I got first dibs. Ladies first, so let's do this. All right.
I need to see these cards in person.
Oh my gosh.
I've watched so many videos on this set.
Oh, so there's a lot. So right now they come out September 22nd, and that is not too far away. So September 22nd is that they actually get revealed. So it's one from the back with this because it's the Scarlet and Violet,
yeah.
right? Okay.
Oh,
so,
and wait. Oh, guys,
What?
there's special energies.
oh yeah, there's special energy
yeah,
cards.
there's
Oh yeah, the hollow
hollow
energy,
yeah.
so that we get like a nice like little treat. So here is code card for you guys, and they should be able to work now, which is so exciting. So okay, so we have energy card, and there's a chance to get another energy.
I think there's
Wait,
something.
no, wait.
Pidgey.
It's in the regular energy slot.
Oh, okay. Ponyta. So we got Metapod, Ponyta, Gloom. So cool. Clefable. Doug Trio. Omastar, Reverse Hollow. Oh, I think I got something good. Weezing and Mr. Mime!
Okay, so I'm gonna open my pack first.
Careful, okay?
Clefairy.
Here, move over a little bit.
Clefairy.
Yeah, good job.
Chop.
Machop.
Oh,
Porygon.
Ooh.
I love that Porygon.
Doduo. Just be careful when you move the card.
Primate.
Fearow.
Hero.
I love it. Onyx. Beautiful.
Vileplume.
Ooh, I love the Vileplume.
Wartortle.
Ooh, doggin. Kabutops.
Oh, you got a
Hollow energy. Nice. Rocky. Getting this.
Is
I'm so grateful.
I know, me
You
too.
don't even know. And
I'm just gonna.
I
get
sounds like
the
a dog
code
barking. But I did there's a
What
dog
is
barking. Sorry. Oh, this is your brother's pile. I'm sorry. Dragonair, Seadra, Kabuto, Oddish. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful
Oh
Caterpie
my
and a Beedrill. Oh my gosh. Caterpie! Oh my god! Look how gorgeous this is. I love it so much. This is such a beautiful, beautiful set. Like off the bat.
And just, it's so cool only because there are so many Pokemon from that are original that just get left out of so many sets.
It's so true.
Meanwhile, they're one of the most important Pokemon in Pokemon history because they're from Kanto.
It's
And
so
they get left out so much.
Well, how many? There's so many generations. How are you
know.
gonna always include Kanto Pokemon?
I know, but
you know what
the
I mean?
fact that they don't get included in like a lot, and I mean a lot of sets. Like Farfetch'd,
Okay, so
haven't seen him since like Shining Fates. I correct me if I'm wrong, but
You know what's so crazy? I thought it'd be easy to like put them in the binders while we're doing the video, but it's not in energy type order. It's in Pokemon order. So
Yeah.
you really need to know your Pokemon in order to... I love that Electrode. That is so cool.
Okay,
I'm
so-
going to do this after.
it's like a Supergirl with Pokemon. With like the Kanto region.
I don't know any other generation, but I'm pretty good with the Kanto
it's
region.
the most important one.
Oh, Rocco, you got a good one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Pikachu. Nice. Don't bend those cards.
Farfetch'd.
Old Amber. It's antique Old Amber. I am antique Old Amber. Pidgeotto. Raticate. Rocco's favorite. He loves rats.
Uh-huh. that
Erica's
Pokemon.
Invitation, Magneton,
Mr. Mime!
Reverse Hollow, Dratini. Oh my God, Alakazam! Wow. He got some good pulls. And we were just talking on our walk over to like class. He goes to religion class Wednesdays. We were just talking about Abra and how much he wanted to get a shiny Abra in Pokemon Go. And it's so funny.
You mean, this is Alakazam.
Yes, this is an evolution of Abra. So it's so cool that you pulled that.
All right, it's my turn.
It's Marcello's turn. Go Marcello. Lots of luck. Rocco loves to find coins on the floor, and he always says he gets good luck from pennies. On the way back from walking Rocco to school, Marcello found...
Oh, Hollow Energy!
Oh, beautiful. He found a lucky penny. So hopefully this gives you some good luck.
It will. I already got
love it, Shelder. You got,
Wait,
yes.
I got the Hollow.
lucky penny?
No,
Marcello
I
did. Sorry if that
What,
confused everybody.
Marcello did?
Yes. Horsey, got Bellsprout,
Oh,
Night Queen.
That's really lucky.
Oh my gosh.
that's-
It's Victory Bell, Hitmonchan, Tentacruel, and Jolteon. Beautiful.
I love that
it.
Hollow Energy.
I'll do this for you. You go keep going.
Oh,
This is
me
definitely a set that I would like to just
Yeah.
open too a lot.
Me too.
So jealous watching you open these cards right now. So cool. They are really cool. I love the energy that you got too. So cool.
Water type energy. Antique dome fossil.
Ooh, nice. Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen.
Goldeen.
Beautiful card. Rapidash,
Rapidash,
Nidorina,
Raticate.
Electabuzz, Big Air Balloon, and Dodrio. Wait a minute.
Wait.
Look at the artwork on this
Oh
card.
my god,
Oh my
yeah, you're
gosh.
right.
So
It feels
cool.
like it's a good card.
Yes, and it's actually like in motion too.
This
It's
is a-
such a beautiful card.
This is a thick pack right here.
Really, really,
Yeah,
really cool.
really thick.
Oh, and it
I
opens
think
love
all
it.
the packs are thick.
It opens up easily. On our Obsidian Flames opening, any packs that I got that opened up easily were good packs.
Fire Energy, Poliwag,
Pikachu,
Farfetch.
Farfetch.
Oh,
Oh.
this is a good one. I see something really, really good. Shelter,
Wait, I think.
Haunter, Hitmonlee, something
I
good.
see Charizard. I saw
Oh my
Charizard.
gosh.
What?
Farfetch,
Look at that. Charizard! Charizard! Oh my god! I did it!
Oh my gosh.
I saw the part of the wing, and I knew
Oh my gosh, and that is from
Charizard.
an Elite Trainer box. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Congratulations.
Thank you. Did you sleeve up that energy?
I
Oh,
did.
okay,
I
thank
did.
you.
I can't
Oh
believe we got
Wow.
God.
Let's admire it again. Hold
Yeah.
on one second. Hold on. And this is from an Elite Trainer box, guys.
that.
So
Can't
keep
look
it in
at
mind.
anymore.
It's beautiful. Beautiful.
That's.
I'm
that's
so glad
crazy.
you pulled that. That's
Me
awesome.
too.
I am so happy for you. That's great. And I know Rocco's gonna put. Rocco just pulls random Charizards sitting in the car.
I might have actually gotten another Charizard.
No.
Yeah, I see Sparkles.
Abra, did you see Abra sleeping? So cute.
Wait, I saw Sparkles. That might be alternate artwork. That's a chance of a Charizard.
Drowsy, Primeape, Fearow, Onyx, Arcanine, Gloom,
And Gengar.
Oh, I love the Gengar. So cool. Wow, so many hits
Wow.
from this. So many hits.
I
Unbelievable.
I got a Charizard.
Yeah, let's just pull out all the cool cards. So these are Rocco's pulls. He got Alakazam EX. Got a Caterpillar. And then he got this beautiful water energy card. And then he got this gorgeous energy
Hollow
card.
energy.
Beautiful. And he got some other cool cards too, like this Jolteon
Yeah.
card.
Yeah.
No legendary birds in this video.
I
I
want-
was pretty sure we'd get one at least. Like I was hoping for Articuno.
Well, I mean,
But-
but there's no like.
We do have more to open.
Yeah.
So in our next video, we're going to open up the Zapdos EX, which is obviously a legendary bird.
This one.
And then we have the booster bundle. And don't forget, I have way more coming in the mail. I have
Yeah.
pre-ordered this. This is something I was not letting go.
I'm gonna
And
get it for Christmas.
Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much to the Pokemon Company. Details of where you can buy Pokemon Scarlet and Violet 151 in my description, on my blog, and everywhere we post.
Where can you buy it? I have $200 to spend on this set.
Well, you can get it at GameStop. You can get it at Target. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Best Buy. You can
have-
get it from your local card shop, your
I
local
have-
comic book store.
I
That's
think
the
I
best
have
bet.
$100 to spend on this set.
I remember. Yes, you are absolutely right. From your birthday money, so you can spend that money and get it yourself.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, that's good.
$200
And then I'll just open the ones I
Or
bought.
maybe
No!
Thank Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to the Pokemon Company. Stay tuned to the next video where we open up these amazing sets. Where'd the booster bundle go? There it is with adorable Mew that has a gold card, guys. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite pull from this video. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Play, Live, Repeat, and Marcello's YouTube channel at Pop Marcello 828. He is Pop Marcello. Over 2,500 subs. Marcello, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.
Bye.